Hello parents, in the last video we talked about the purple period associated with colic. So colic का problem, remember it's called a purple period because it ends with the period, remember that. Let's discuss about what we can do to make sure that things are more comfortable for you and your baby. So the number one thing you need to remember is to make sure you keep burping your baby well. So often the biggest challenge जो रहता है बच्चों में कि उनका डकार नार में दिक्कत आता है. एंड ऑफन कैसा है, बच्चा सपोज ज़्यादा रोता है, हवा स्वॉलो करता है, पेट के अंदर हवा है, फीड किया है, गैस होता है, एंड सपोज आप अच्छी तरह से वो डकार नहीं मारेंगे, वो बाहर नहीं आ पाता है, पेट में रुका है, एंड जब वो बाहर आना चाहता है हवा, दूध के साथ दूध भी लेकर आता है, देयरफॉर उसको उल्टी होता है, एंड ये सब उसको पेट में उसको दर्द होने के कारण इतना रोता है. So this is essentially the main problem. The number two thing is, apart from the positioning, see if you can mildly rock the baby, try to soothe the baby, calm the baby, take the baby in a stroller, keep the baby on your tummy, anything that is going to help the baby to get a little relaxed and to soothe the baby. The third thing is, typically doctors will probably prescribe you some medication. So the medications are many, but all of them have two common ingredients. One phenyl oil रहता है, simethicone रहता है. What are these doing? They are called carmicides, जो पेट के अंदर जो गैस है सब इकट्ठा करके उसको बाहर एक्सपेल करने के लिए वो मदद करता है. So that is what the medicine is doing. But unless आप बराबर उसको पोजीशन में रखेंगे, उसको बहुत सारे टमी एक्सरसाइजेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, पेट के ऊपर थोड़ा मसाज करने के लिए बोलते हैं. So what we are doing with all of this is that जो हवा बैठा है अंदर वो बाहर उसको एक्सपेल करने के लिए उसको मदद कर रहे हैं. And that's essentially the gist of what we do in a colic baby. The other thing is that the mother is often blamed. बोलेंगे आपने तूने कुछ तो खाया होगा इसलिए उसको गैस हुआ. Let me tell you that is not the case. Apart from a couple of things. So if your baby's colic is very severe, okay, evidence wise दो ही चीज आपको eliminate कर सकते हैं, right? The number one is milk. So too much of cow's milk or buffalo milk or any animal milk may precipitate colic. And therefore, if you feel that your baby, so 1-2 glass से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, okay? But if you feel that it is significant, you could consider cutting down on your cow's milk. Remember, increasing in cow milk does not necessarily mean आपका दूध कम ज़्यादा होने वाला है. So they are not related. Number 2, coffee and tea. So I know most pregnant women don't have it, but sometimes एक आदत हो जाती है. So evidence में देखेंगे तो यही दो चीज है. Okay. Apart from that, including non-vegetarian food, mothers can gladly take without any issue, and that is not going to result in colic in your baby. So remember, in spite of all of these tips that I've given you, it might still be the case you may be struggling. That's quite all right. एक चीज याद रखो, some consider this a normal developmental part of a baby growing up. Focus on making sure that you are calm, that the baby is calm. Remember that as the weeks go by, these episodes कम होते जाने वाले हैं. So if it is happening twice a week, it's going to become once a week, then once in 10 days, and by 3 months, very rarely, beyond 3 months होता ही नहीं है. The colic will definitely disappear. Do not worry at all. And that is something that you need to reassure yourself. You will be meeting the doctor in between, making sure weight is going on and weight अच्छा gain हो रहा है. As long as weight gain is happening well, this will not harm your baby in any way. Just you can absolutely relax.